Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add stroke to text in Photoshop. First open the Photoshop and create a new document, then go the Select Text tool from the toolbar, and I wrote the stoke. Select all text, then go to the window menu, and click on the character, and change the color, and click this. Press Ctrl T and adjust the text. Then double-click on the text layer and click on the stoke. You can change fill type, color, gradient, and pattern, and I changed the color red. And increase and decrease the opacity. Also change position outside, inside, and center. And you can change size. Then OK. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphics Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.